In order to be able to dream, you have to forget your waking state. In a waking state is nothing. There's no one and nothing to reach or learn or experience. Nothing, because there is no thing. Being awake means empty. Consciousness is not focused on things that did not appear. It is just emptiness, like an ocean without waves or without wind. And to be able to realize that emptiness, that consciousness that you are without form, your consciousness has to divide itself in an object and a subject. Object is the dream, and it can manifest as every possible action or experience. What is coming, every possible manifestation is just an appearance in consciousness. But now consciousness can recognize that it is empty. So it has to make up forms that move and are at a distance, a world with all things happening. That's made up by consciousness itself. And that emptiness, what you are, is awake. And the consciousness that disappears in forms is asleep. So to be able to be asleep, there must be something awake. And to be able to get and enter in that slept objects, in that dreamt forms, the waking state has to forget that it is awake. And here we are. We are in this form that is dreamt by our own self, but it has to forget that it dreams. Although there is something inside, the formless real you, that empty state, that knows that it forgets itself. And there is your freedom, yourself. That awareness inside that is aware of the fact that you forget that you are falling asleep. And that will wake you up, that awareness. It is already there, and it flows back to its own emptiness, the greatest bliss that self is.